new session. Today we're going to see about star and tree topology. Already we have discussed about what is a topology. So topology is a physical arrangement of devices. So already we discussed about bus and ring topology. In this session we're going to discuss about star and tree topology. First we will start with star topology. So star topology is an arrangement of network which every node is connected with a central hub. It can be a hub, it can be a switch, or it can be a central computer also. So the central computer is known as a server, and the peripheral devices attached to the server is called as clients. So if you see here, we have a central hub here. So with that, we have 5 computers. So these 5 computers are the clients, and the center hub is the server. So coaxial cable or RJ45 or Ethernet cable can be used to connect the computers. So hub or switch is mainly used as a the central hub as physical star topology. It's the most popular topology which is implemented in most of the places. And what are the advantages of using the star topology in our workplace or any other places? First thing is efficient troubleshooting. So it is quite efficient in star topology because when compared to other devices, we have a central person. So easily we can able to monitor. So any one particular system got affected, so that information will be maintained by the centralized network. So easily we can find out. But in bus topology, it is not the case. In bus topology, it will be like kilometers or the meters. Each computer is placed in different positions, so we have to check the entire cable length. So and compared to that, it is very easy. And network control. And if it is a complex network also, if it is implemented in star topology, any changes happening in that network can be maintained by a central hub. So then it is easy. And failure rate also very easy, very less. Because the hub itself is a own cable, so any failure nodes can be easily disconnected from the network. And it is very easy technology, so and cost effective also. And if you want to expand, a central hub needs to be connected. So if a new node is coming, the new node should be connected with the central hub. That's also, we don't want to touch the remaining nodes which is already connected. And we can go with very less cost cables, coaxial Ethernet cables also, we can able to use it. And the data speed also, it can able to provide up to 100 Mbps. What are the disadvantages? We like in the advantages, most of the points, like it is a central hub, it can able to maintain. Yes. If the central hub failures, the central point failures, the remaining nodes will go down. The remaining client nodes will go down if server fails. So that is a very important disadvantages. Sometimes the cable routing becomes difficult when significant amount of routing is required. When we want to route more than number of nodes, then the cable is also create some problem in the routing tables. And when it comes to the tree topology, so it combines the characteristics of bus topology and the star topology. A tree topology is a type of structure in which all computers are connected with each other in a hierarchical fashion. So the topmost node is the tree topology, is known as a root node. For example, if you have a computer like this, so topmost node is called as a root node, and all other nodes are descendants, that is child nodes. There is only one path exists between two nodes for the data transmission. So apart from two paths, there won't be another paths. So if you see the ring topology, it's like a unidirectional. If you go with star topology, it is like centralized hub. Here, like we have two parts, with that two parts only you can able to work. So it is called as parent-child hierarchy or parent-child relationship. So what is the advantage? If you want to go for broadband transmission, so it is a best choice. Signals can send over a long distance without being any data loss, and easily expandable because you will have a child node, and under child, if you want to add another child, so child will become a server or a parent, then you can add the nodes, and easily you can manage it because each node will have their child alone. So the central node can be a parent node, so the parent node will maintain only the child nodes under that. And error detection also easy because we can able to track it in the tree topology. And the breakdown failures is very less. Even if any breakdown happens also, it will affect only that parent and child node. The remaining nodes will function as usual. And point-to-point wiring. So because from the parent, we will be connecting the other child nodes. From another child, so that subchilds will be connected. So individual segments of wiring will be happening. And disadvantage again, if you want to troubleshoot any one particular node, it's somewhat difficult. And cost when compared to bus topology, the cost is somewhat higher because we are going for broadband transmission over here. And the failure here also I said like it is a combination of star and bus topology. So the bus cable line if failures, so then it will be a overall cost. Reconfiguration. We can add the nodes easily, but the reconfiguration is somewhat difficult. So these are the disadvantages of tree topology. So in the next video, we will see the remaining topology types. Thank you.